নমস্কার বন্ধুরা, চলে এলাম স্পারে। ওয়াও, কিচেনে। ওয়াও ওয়াও,
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
yeah, wow. I'm here in the kitchen of Spur, yeah, in Karen.
Thank you very much. It's my pleasure.
You're so welcome. I'll post it on YouTube channel. Yeah, we are making steak, yeah? Steak.
Yeah, steak.
Steak with honey coated or that one. Beautiful, beautiful. Yo,
Yo, Patrick. Yo, Patrick.
I want your name, please.
Yeah. Just for
Josephat, you. Daniel, you. Alex, you. Harrison. Ooh, look at the kitchen. Gorgeous kitchen. And you?
Boogie Genji.
John, you? Oh, Jacob. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Oh, what did you use to make it? Like, how did you make it? These are the breast pieces of steak. You coated with? Huh? Basting sauce, honey, and which spice? Which else? Chutney. Oh, chutney. Chutney. Indian chutney. Yeah. That makes it so yummy. Oof, I'm feeling so hungry for it. Thank you so much. Wow. Look, they are so happy people, always smiling.